Good morning, beta. All of you are fine at your home now. So today we are going to start our chapter grammar, that is articles. That is articles. Yes, beta. Now see this one. I have something in my hand. Yes, I know your answer is correct. A marker. I have a marker. So beta, can you tell me what do we use before elephant? Elephant is a big animal, and ant. It's very tiny, very small little animal, little insect. Yes, we use an. So now I am going to tell you the lesson is articles. Articles. Articles are the words that are used before noun. Okay. Articles are the words that are used before noun. Have you got it, beta? Now I want to tell you articles are of two types. Articles are of two types. Okay. So I am writing it here. Articles are of two types. First one is beta indefinite article. Indefinite article, and beta indefinite article is used for general things. It is used for general thing, that is a and an. That is a and an. Have you got it? And the next one is definite article. That is definite article. See here, definite. Definite article. Definite article is what, beta? The. 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 So beta, I have told you articles are of two types. Just now I have told you na, indefinite and definite. For general things we use indefinite article. That is what? That is, the first one is a. Use of a. A is used, beta, where before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Before consonant sound. You know it now? Consonant sound. So the examples are what? Before consonant sound, the examples are a girl, a tree. Done, beta. Now the second one is before a singular noun. Okay? Before a singular noun. Before singular noun. Singular means one. Before singular noun. Before singular noun, that is, again, example is a duck, a bird. Okay. Now we come to a common noun that we use for the first time. Before a common noun. Common noun that we are using for the first time. Using first time. For example, beta, I am telling you my sister has a new car. Example is my sister has a new car. A new car. Because this car is coming for the first time before us. Okay. Now beta. So beta, now I am going to tell you the use of an. When and where we use an. Okay. See. The use of an. When and where do we use and? We use and before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Before a vowel sound. You know vowel? You know it very well. Before a vowel sound. What is this? I have told you in the beginning only. And. Okay. And. Are you getting it? Now the next one is telling us that before a singular noun. Before a singular noun. And is used before a singular noun. And or your and before a singular noun. Okay. So the examples are this one. I am giving you an elephant, an elephant, an owl, an owl. Are you getting it? Next one tells us before the silent H. When we don't pronounce H, that is called silent H. Okay? So, we use it before the words where silent H is there. Silent H is there. We don't pronounce H. That is called silent H. It means I am giving you the examples, beta. What? And or. We don't say H. We don't say H. What we say? And or. Okay. It is called and or. More examples are an honorable person. HONOURABLE. An honorable person. An honorable person. I give you more examples, beta. We can say an ink pot, an enemy, okay, an Indian, an Englishman. All these are examples of what? Where we use an. Are you getting it? That I have told you. More you want, beta? An umbrella. Okay. You all know a lot of words you all know. Okay. So, beta, now I am going to tell you the use of the definite article the. This is the use of the. When and where do we use the? Beta, it is used with the nouns that has been mentioned earlier. That has been mentioned earlier means what? When we talk about a thing and we know about whom we are talking, it means we are talking about them for the second time. We have mentioned them earlier. At that time we use what? The. Okay, beta. We have mentioned earlier. So in short I am writing here mentioned earlier. We have mentioned earlier. For example, I write here I saw a peacock in the ground. I saw a peacock in the ground. And then again I am going to tell you about the same peacock. So what I use? The peacock then started dancing. So I write it here. The peacock then started what? Started dancing. All of you like dancing now? Here beta, listen here. We are talking about the specific peacock, the particular peacock. I have seen the peacock in the ground and the particular peacock started dancing. That's why I am using here the peacock. And in the beginning, for the first time I was using, I have used what? A peacock. Second time I am using, so it is the peacock. Getting it now beta? Now, next one is when we give respect to anybody. When we honor someone, we give respect to someone, at that time also we use what? We use the. Okay. We honor someone, honor or we give respect to someone. We give respect to someone, at that time what we use beta? We use the. Example is what beta? The principal man. The principal. The president. President. The principal, the president. Here you have to keep in mind beta, when we are using the principal, T will be capital and P will be capital. Okay, because it is coming in the beginning of the sentence. We are honoring principal, we are giving respect to president, that's why P is what? Capital. Got it beta? And we all know about whom we are talking. We all know about whom. It means I know who is our principal and you also know who is our principal. That's why I have used here the principal. We all know the president. So I am writing here the president. Got it beta? Next one tells us before the unique things. You know what is unique? Unique things. Unique means what? Unique means they are of only one kind. They are of only one kind. For example, I can tell you our earth is a unique planet. Our earth is a unique planet. And then what? Moon is also unique. Sun is also unique. Okay? The sky above us. The sky is also unique now. So what we write? The sun, the moon, the earth. Getting it? I give the example. Okay. The moon is shining. The moon is shining. Where? In the sky. Up in the sky. Okay beta, I have told you about all this. Now we come to the what? Before the names of the rivers, mountains. Okay. What we use beta? We use the. So beta, I have just now told you we use the before the name of what? Before the name of rivers, mountains, mountains. Before the name of rivers, mountains, oceans, group of islands, okay, and all these things. The example I am giving you what? The Ganga. Okay. The Himalayas. Himalayas. The Ganga, the Himalayas. I can tell you the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. All these are what? Before all these things, we have to use what? The. Getting it beta? The Bay of Bengal, I write it here. The Bay of Bengal. Okay. The Bay of Bengal. The Alps, the Andamans, all these, what we use? Or before all this, we use what? We use the. Okay. And now, the next one tells us, beta, before the proper nouns. Before the proper nouns that denote what? Buildings, monuments, old historical buildings. Okay, they are called what? Monuments. Before the proper nouns that denote what? That denote monuments. That denote monuments. Monuments. Now beta, monuments are what? Old historical buildings. Monuments are old historical buildings. For example, beta, I can tell you what? The India Gate. We write here the India Gate. Okay. Next is what? The Red Fort. The Red Fort. Now beta, this is all for today's video. Okay, bye.